So let's welcome to you exercise 2.3. Myself Poonam Sachdev is with you now to teach you question number 2 of exercise 2.3. Let's see what is the question. The question says check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. Okay, in that first we are given here, that is on your screen you can see t square minus 3. This is first polynomial. Another polynomial we are given 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12. So my dear student, how to do this type of question? As we know that we need to divide second polynomial with first polynomial as similar procedure as we did in the first question. Fine. Now, when we apply the same technique, if we get remainder 0, if we will have the remainder 0, then we can say that is the polynomial is divisible. This polynomial is divisible by this polynomial. That's why. Let's begin. What is the polynomial? The 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12. We are going to divide it by t square minus 3. So as usual, you know, if I write here t square minus 3, by which term should I multiply so that my first term should be similar to this term? I want 2t to the power 4. Here I have only t square. Then of course I need to multiply with 2t square. Reason behind that, when I multiply this with this, then I will have 2t to the power 4 minus 3 to the 6t. Got it? This is 6t square. Fine. Now this I am going to put here 2t to the power 4 minus 6t square. Here it is 6t square. And I am going to multiply with 2t square. So I am writing it as a quotient. Now as usual, you know very well we need to change the sign. That's why this term will be cancelled. Now what about this term? Let me bring this term along with this sign, that is positive sign, so it remains same. What about minus 2 plus 6? Minus 2 plus 6 gives the result plus 4. Agree? And this minus 90 I am bringing down. This minus 90 I am bringing it down. Now let's see further. Is it possible to solve further? Let's see t square minus 3. Now this time I want 3t cube here. T cube. It means I need to write multiply with 3t. If I multiply with 3t, then I will have here 3t cube minus 3 3 are 90. Clear to you? So 3t cube I am writing here. And this minus 90 I need to mention it under this stuff. So dear student, again as usual you know I am multiplying it with 3t, so I am writing plus 3t here. Here changing the sign, so it will be cancelled. What is left? This also will be cancelled. t plus 90, you are correct. So here 40 square is left, and let me bring this minus 12. This one is left, minus 12 I am bringing down, right? Now one more time the same procedure of multiplication. Let's apply t square minus 3 is already here. I think I need to multiply with 4 here, because reason behind that, t square is already there, so I need to multiply with 4. So 40 square minus 4 3 are 12. So I need to write here 40 square minus 12. So this time I multiplied it with plus 4. Here That's why. Now, as usual, we need to change the sign. This minus and this plus. This opposite sign cancels. So, remainder is 0. So, as here remainder is 0, therefore, we can say this term is divisible by this term. So, let's write here the final answer as I am making the answer here, writing the answer here as remainder equal to 0. R indicate remainder, okay? If I as R equal to 0, remainder is 0, we are gaining. Therefore, 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12 is divisible by, we can say it is divisible by t square minus, quite easy because remainder is 0. Same procedure of dividing the first polynomial, second polynomial by the first polynomial. So we will have the result remainder 0. So it is divisible by. So my dear student, the second question, it's the second part is in front of you. X square plus 3x plus 1. This is first polynomial. It is actually trinomial. We want to divide this trinomial. We want to divide this trinomial with this trinomial. Here the another polynomial is, this is polynomial 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. This is one of the polynomial which we are going to divide with this polynomial. As this polynomial is having 3 terms, that's why I called it trinomial. So let's begin. It is quite easy. This time we are going to multiply with trinomial. So be careful. Okay. Now see, whatever we are given, carefully along with the proper sign, we need to mention it here. Okay. So dear student, let's begin. The question which we are given according to that here, I need to mention 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x and plus 2. I am writing it here. And we are going to divide it by x square plus 3x plus y. Fine. The same thing I am going to write it here as we are going to multiply with the same term. So my dear student, you can see first term is here we are having 3x to the power 4. I want 3x to the power 4. X square is already there. So I need to multiply with 3. So I need to mention it here 3x square. So I will have 3x to the power 4. 3 3 is 9x square plus 3x square. Give to you once again. Here it will be cube. Here it is not 3 power, it will be cube because of square into x. So we are multiplying with 3x square. So what are the results? Let me note down. I should have here 3x to the power 4 plus 9x cube plus 3x square. Fine. Now I need to change the sign as usual. Minus, this plus will be minus, this will be minus. This first term similar with the opposite sign cancel. Now what is the simplification of this? Plus 5 minus 9. Plus 5 minus 9 is minus 4x cube. Remember, minus 7 minus 3, same sign addition, it will be minus 10. Now I am bringing this plus 2x here. Okay, I am bringing it down. This is plus 2x. Now, again the same procedure. I have here x square plus 3x plus 1. By which term should I multiply here? Because I want this time minus 4x cube. Fine. Minus 4x cube. So minus 4 should be there. And because of x cube, I need to multiply with x here. Because x square into x, so it will become minus 4x cube minus 3 to the 12x square and minus 4x. Fine. So this time I multiply with minus 4x. Fine. So let me note down with the same sign without changing anything. So I will have here minus 4x. Now as usual dear student, you know very well we need to change the sign. Here it will be plus. So this will be cancelled. Minus 10 plus 2 minus 10 plus 12, so it will give 2x square result. Clear? Same thing is here, plus 2x plus 4x plus 2 plus 4 is we know plus 6x, same sign addition, and here plus 2 is left also. Okay, so I am bringing it down, so I am mentioning it here plus 2. Now again the same procedure I am applying. Okay, let's continue with that. So this time I have here x square plus 3x plus 1. This I am going to multiply. I want 2x square. X square is already there, so I need to multiply with 2 only. So I will have here 2x square, 3 2 just 6x plus 2. So dear student, 2x square plus 6x plus 2 I am mentioning here, and I have multiplied it with 2, so in quotient I am writing plus 2. Now as usual we know we need to change the sign, so here I am writing the minus. So all the way all this term with the opposite sign gives the remainder 0. So dear student, again you have seen here we got the remainder 0. So final answer what we have to write in a particular sentence, as remainder equal to 0. Therefore this full polynomial, what is that? 3x to the power 4, 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2 is divisible by, this polynomial is divisible by what? By this polynomial x square plus 3x plus 1. Means the second polynomial is divisible by first polynomial. Reason behind that, remainder is coming 0. Clear? So my dear student, here third one is in front of you. X cube minus 3x plus 1, and another polynomial is x to the power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Quite easy. As usual, you know dear student, here this is trinomial. We are going to multiply the term with the trinomial. Fine. So let me make a separation here. And first, before you start, just check, are the given this second polynomial which we are writing, that is as a dividend, then it must have the it must be in ascending or descending order. So here it is already there, x to the power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x, and of course this plus 1. This we are going to divide with this x cube plus minus 3x. This time minus 3x plus 1. Yeah. So with this we are going to multiply. Fine. So I am mentioning the same thing, x square minus 3x plus 1 here. Now as I want here first time, as I want here x to the power 5. Here x cube is already there. This is cube actually. This is not a square, this is cube. This 3 already there. Cube is already there. So I think I need to multiply with square to bring x to the power 5. So x to the power 5 minus x cube plus x square. Fine. The same thing is here, x to the power 5 minus 3x cube plus x square. Fine. Once again I am checking here, is it okay? Here it is 5, 3, 2. Here fourth power is not there. Fourth power is missing. in this also fourth power is missing. It is not in order. But here it is coincident coming similar. So no issue for that. Okay. Now as usual we need to change the sign. So we are changing the sign here. And of course I have multiplied it with x squared. So I need to mention it in a quotient. Now this minus x to the power 5 with plus x to the power 5 cancelled. Minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3, it gives the result minus x cube. Please remember. Then plus x square minus x square cancel already. Opposite sign. So let me bring this 3x at the down. And of course this plus 1 also in the down. At the down. Okay. Now again I am going to what we are having here x cube minus 3x plus 1. Now already here I want x cube, but along with this minus sign is there. X cube is already there, but along with minus sign, so this time I need to multiply it with minus 1. So quotient will be minus 1. So dear student, here we will have here x cube plus 3x minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1. Please remember, be careful about the sign. Now whatever the result we are gaining, that let me mention it here. This is plus 3x and this is minus 1. Now as usual you know we need to change the sign. Minus plus minus plus. This opposite sign cancel, opposite sign cancel. But dear student, here plus 1 plus 1. This is not minus 1. Plus 1 plus 1. So remainder is plus 2. Oh, it means it doesn't coming 0. Here this time remainder is as remainder is 2 which is not equal to 0. As remainder is 2 which is not equal to 0. Therefore, what should we say for this result? Therefore, x to the power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1 is not divisible by, right? Is not divisible by x square minus 1. Clear to you? So, it is not divisible by x square minus, no, not x square minus 1, that is sorry, x cube minus plus 1. So here the complete solution of question number 2 is the first, second and third part. So dear student, now updates, be ready for the upcoming video that is based on question number 3, 4, 5 of the same exercise 2.3. So keep yourself in touch with all this knowledge and remain in practice. Fine? So thank you. God bless you.